Hello guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus and I'm gonna show you how to use easy mode on this device. So let's start from open the settings, click on the display, scroll down, and as you can see there's our option easy mode. So just click on this marker to activate it. And yeah, as you can see, this is how it works in the easy mode. So every icon is bigger, and if you want to of course turn off this mode, you have to enter here again and just use this marker. So thank you for watching, leave likes, subscriptions and comments below.